Okay, so why? Oh, just shrink up some more. That's ridiculous. Come on up, baby. But why, as I'm sitting here, I'm thinking like, damn, I don't know if I even want this little part. Hello, welcome back to my channel, Urban Locs. It is your girl, Kyra, and I'm back. I am back, y'all. I am hyped. Other day, as you guys know, I started my locks again, April 17th. Save the date, okay? April 17th. So I just wanted to come here, it's only been 3 days, and just show you guys what we're really looking like. Nothing has really happened at all. But because I plan on splitting some of these locks, especially some of these up top right here. I'm still not gonna tell you my secret number until I'm satisfied. So I'm gonna split some of these bad boys real quick, and then I have not put anything on my locks quite yet. But today is gonna be the first day that I actually put something on them as far as like moisturizing or whatever. So let me just show you guys real quick, and then I'll show you what I concocted, what I'm gonna be using on my hair for a while. Because I'm only gonna be very minimum in these beginning stages. I want to keep it very light and less oily than I did last time. So I will show you guys, but for now, let me just show you my hair. Okay. So this is it. Now I did my parts and everything on my own, and this is the first time in my life that I have ever like parted my hair like this. So I'm sure they're all over the place, and I really don't care. I'm just really proud of myself. I'm very proud of myself, actually, for even getting this far, because it was very frustrating. Very frustrating trying to part when you don't know how to part. Okay, so this is it. I'm just gonna go around my head, and whichever ones that I see are like, you know, a little extra chunky, like maybe I saw one earlier over here. Hold on. Well, first of all, these are gonna get split just because the part, look, crooked. Crooked. My middle part is even crooked. I don't care. I didn't even have a middle part last time, so I definitely don't care. It's straight enough crooked. But like this one right here, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to split this piece, and I believe I'm gonna split it down, and I'm also going to split, it doesn't even look that big. That's gonna stay like that. That's gonna stay like that, and then I'm gonna split this one too, of course. But maybe like this one, like you see how thick this one is. I may split this one. We'll see. I ain't gonna be doing a whole bunch of splitting, okay? Because my locks last time, they were all over the place, like because I had got them combined, and the parts, they were just completely uneven. Like they probably couldn't have been any more uneven than they were, and they still look good. So I'm not really pressed to get my parts straight. I'm just pressed because I was more so trying to stay in a certain range. You guys know last time I had 50 locks. I had exactly 50. So I'm not gonna tell you the secret number yet, but just know that I have less than I did last time. Yeah, less than I did last time. Between 30 and 50. I'll give y'all that range. So I don't want to give you the number that I have. I'll do a lock count whenever I fully decide and I'm done, which is gonna be after today, because I'm not gonna be doing this day after day. I'm just gonna fix what I'm about to fix real quick, and that's it. One day, one time, that's it. My hair is all springy and bouncy. It's looking cute. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm going to be using on my locks. So I'm gonna keep it very minimum. When I mean very minimum, that's what I mean. So today is gonna be the first time, but I'm not gonna put any oils in my head for, I can't even say how long, but no time soon yet. What I just wanna stick to is these 3 ingredients that I have down here. I'll show you. I may oil my scalp maybe with like some tea tree oil or something like that, but just my scalp. I'm not gonna put anything on my baby locks, okay? Oh wow, these two are actually pretty thick. Okay, these two may get split. Let me tie these together so I remember. Okay, so move this down. What I'm gonna be using, I already mixed them up in this bottle here, this spray bottle, is 2 things, 2 different components we have here. Now, I haven't really seen many people or anybody really use this in their hair. But you know, I did a little research on it after I had already bought it, and it seems like it's really, really good for your hair, so I don't see why this would be bad for your locks at all. Really light plant-based hydration. Boom. Coconut water, organic, 100% coconut water. That's all that's in here. It's light. It's water. Okay, coconut water. So coconut has some really good benefits. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and tell y'all what these benefits are, so I'm not just telling y'all it's good stuff. All right, benefits of coconut water for hair. So it says that it's a good idea to use coconut water for hair loss, as it promotes cell growth and keeps hair strong by stimulating the scalp. It improves blood circulation, and combined with its many vitamins, minerals, and I did have sushi a couple days ago. And amino acids, coconut water works to fortify strands and help make your locks grow even thicker. I don't even think they meant locks like locks. I think they meant locks as in hair, because that's not a lock page. So just in general. Oh look, so the title of this article is how to use coconut water to transform fine hair, according to dermatologists. Now my hair is not fine. Not fine at all. Well, why not? So coconut water for hair is a hydrator and an anti-inflammatory agent, hydrates hair and skin, soothes the scalp, and prevents flakiness. Come on, I'm on to something. It says anyone with thin or oily hair who's looking for hydration without the weight, but anybody can benefit from the use of coconut water. But if you have nut allergies, consult your doctor. Works well with coconut oil if you have dry or coarse hair, in order to lock in the moisture gained from the coconut water. Okay, so yeah, that's enough. Good stuff. That's good stuff though. And then our next star is aloe vera juice. This was something that I used last time. Okay, so this is a Lily in the Desert brand, and we all know aloe is great for your skin and your hair, but let me get a nice little list so that I'm not spewing out bullshit. Okay, so the benefits of aloe vera juice for your hair: it's a great moisturizer for natural hair, helps with strengthening and repairing hair strands, magic for an itchy scalp, helps with hair growth, can be used to cleanse your hair, and you can use it as a scalp massage. So aloe vera is really good too. Boom. So that's all that is in here, and then I'm just going to show you guys the last ingredient that I'm also going to be using. I'm not mixing it in here because this is just gonna, I'll probably alternate the days that I'm not using this. I'm not gonna spray anything on my hair every day, maybe like 3 times a week. Maybe I'll spray my hair with one of these two, but this right here is some rose water. Now let me get some, and this already comes in a little spray bottle, which is good. So this is a rose water mist. Okay, so it softens your hair, and then unlike regular water, which typically contains minerals like calcium that can build up on your hair and cause it to become brittle, this does not do that shit. Okay, good stuff. Reduces dandruff and oiliness, helps with scalp issues, reduces frizz and adds shine. So that's just some benefits of rose water. So yeah, these are all really good for hair, so I'm gonna try these out and just keep everything really light and moisturized this go around, because last time I didn't really do the best at moisturizing, especially from the beginning. I was steady dying and bleaching, but not doing what I needed to do, like moisturizing. So kind of like, I feel like I should spray these locks with normal water. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spray these locks that I'm about to combine with normal water, and then when I'm done, I will spray with the aloe and coconut water. So I'm gonna start with these up front here. All right, so saturated. I guess I probably should have brought a comb, but you know, I didn't do that, so it's okay. It should be okay. Everything should be okay. All right, easy enough. Boom. Okay, oh, maybe I should split it this way. I'm thinking maybe I should do it that way, or should I split it this way? It's gonna be too long, I feel like, versus if I do it like this, then it'll be long that way. Which one makes more sense? If I twist it like this, it's gonna be twisted like this. Be that long, or it's gonna be twisted like this. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna do it like that. Okay. Impart this. I didn't bring any clips. I didn't think about that. That's okay though. It's not like my roots are tight anyway because I didn't use any locking gel or cream. I'm not to say that you can't, but I'm not. I'm gonna use these light ingredients that I have and oils. I don't use locking gels or locking creams. Now I'm sure you could find an organic one or something. That's what I need to find. If I can find like a natural organic one, maybe that's like really light, it's not gonna cause buildup. But for all that, I can try to master my own like flaxseed gel or something along the lines here. Trying to go all the way down to these ends. That's what I was trying to do here. All right, so boom, we got that one split. This one, my hair feels so nice and soft. I was expecting to have more than what I did last time. I said between 50 and 60, no more than 60, absolutely not, but I have less, so it kind of concerns me a little bit for some of them just because I know how thick they were last time. So for me to have less than I did last time, I'm kind of like, ooh, you know, maybe I should have staggered these a little bit because, well, no, it'll be fine. I don't want them to fall directly on top of each other. Damn, what was I saying before that though? Shit, I don't remember. I really don't. Damn, what was I saying? Oh yeah, it kind of kind of bothers me, not bothers me, but it kind of concerns me because I know for some of them, like my really thick one, thickest one I have, like it didn't curl right. So I want my locks to be able to curl right. I want them thick. Don't get me wrong, but I don't want them too thick. That's those two now. Split that one, so now I'm gonna go over here and split this one too. Okay, so why? Oh, just shrink up some more. That's ridiculous. Come on up, baby. But why, as I'm sitting here, I'm thinking like, damn, I don't know if I even want this new part. Maybe I should do this one to the back. That way it can be adjustable. Would that make sense? Or will that mess everything up if I do it to the back? That'll probably be stupid. Yeah, I can't do that. Damn. I'm gonna do this one to the side. Then, oh my gosh, I don't know. Come on, you need to go. Switch up or something. That looks crazy. Don't do that. Alright, just do the middle part. Just do the middle part. Just do the middle part. Gosh. I've never really been fond of middle parts ever in my life. Ever, actually. So probably won't be the same when it ends. Why can't it be the same? Alright, so that's that. We got two more. This one is looking a little chunky. What the freak is going on? What is all this? Oh girl, you knew better. Hold on, what's going on here? This is a hot, big ass mess. Oh no, I did not. I must have been over it. Okay, we're gonna fix this one too. Wow, that is crazy. Hot, big ass mess. Let's just get this on. Let's just go ahead. Okay, so I think I'm done splitting what I'm gonna split. I haven't counted them yet to see how many I split it into. Now I did have an odd number of locks, and if I end up with an odd number still, I'm gonna find another one to split because I'm gonna need to add another one. That way when I do my 2-string twist, I don't have one left out. So like I said, I haven't counted yet, but you can definitely see a difference in the fullness already. So I'm liking it. I'm liking the additions, and some of them are gonna be huge, and I could tell how huge they were gonna be because when I took them out, like the amount of hair, yeah, they were gonna be big. So I'm glad I did this. But yeah, I'm gonna go through with the mirror, look at the back of my head, check to make sure I don't need to split any more, and then like I said, I'm gonna count to make sure I don't still have an odd number. But this is what we're looking like. Let's get together. Because I actually added a very good amount. I'm not gonna tell y'all, but I do gotta split because I have an, yeah, I was about to say, if I split it, won't it still be even or still be odd? No, being dumb. Okay, so I do gotta find one to split, that way I can get even. But I'm about to be happy with my number and we're gonna leave it. So let me go through here and find another one that I can split. And then after that, we'll go ahead and use this mist that I created and move it on. Okay, so we are done. I got my number. This is the number that I'm sticking with. This is it. This is it. Yes. Okay, so just lightly mist your locks with the spray. And that's it. So this is what I'm going to be using, plus the rose water on other days as well. I'm happy with the number of locks that I have now, and we'll go from here. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the next one. See y'all.